Welcome to another episode with RX7 build. Today's video is gonna include the fuel pressure regulator mount. I'm gonna make it by myself over here with a little piece of metal, bolted on intake, make sure everything is good. Later I'm gonna do the throttle body. I'm gonna take everything out. I'm gonna clean everything, of course. All the springs, all the metal pieces are on the throttle body. I'm gonna put everything back together after I paint it black. And I'm gonna do the coolant unit. I'm gonna cut the little pieces extended outside to the left. Is the mount for the air pump. Air pump is not anymore on the car, so I'm gonna cut that thing. I don't like how it pops out. I'm gonna cut it, save it a little bit, paint it black, and put everything back together. And later on I'm gonna do the little mount, the little bracket support for the radiator and the intercooler, because I'm gonna put the V-mount intercooler now. So I lift a little bit the radiator and make a new brackets, paint them, put it back together, and that's it for this video. So stay tuned and let's start. Finally done with the fuel pressure regulator. It looks amazing. Right now I'm gonna go straight to do the throttle body, take everything apart, paint it, put everything back, and then put it on the car. So let's do it. Today I came back to the garage to check up with the throttle body to see how it is, because I painted yesterday black as you saw it, and I just want to see how it looks. I put it on the engine, and let's take a look. That's how it looks, guys. Black gloss. I believe it goes good. It looks good black. I did some work. I did some work over here. I did the water pump housing. I make it all black, same as this one, so they can match. I finished the fuel regulator. I put here as you see, I put adapter. That one's supposed to go. This one's supposed to go to the expansion tank over here. It used to be over here, and then goes back to the tank over there, the overflow tank. But I did the delete of the AST, I believe they call it, and I went straight from here. It's like a little adapter they sell online. You can find it on eBay. I bought it from eBay. And this HKS cap, I always like it, so that's why I bought it. It looks really nice. And this one goes straight back to the overflow tank. That's all about it. And of course, one more thing, as you saw, I know you guys realize the blue hose. I don't really like it either, and this one too. So I'm gonna try to find black ones, because you know, if you see the engine, it's the only one it pops. It pops in your eyes, and I don't think it's nice. I don't really like it, so I'm gonna change it. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna take out the throttle body, and I'm gonna assemble everything, and it's gonna be good to go. And I'm gonna put it back on, bolt it on, and it's gonna be ready. And I believe after my ignition coils arrive, I already ordered it, but they said it needs like 4 weeks to 8 weeks to get to get shipped. So until then, I still have a lot of work to do. Finally done. As you saw it, it was pretty hard to put everything back. I did have to check like old pictures so I could put the right way all the springs and all the little pieces over here, metal pieces. Yep, it was pretty good. Right now I'm gonna put it on the car, bolt it on with a new gasket. There's a new gasket over here, you see it, and you're ready to put it on. Let's do this. Next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna fix the mount for the intercooler and the radiator. As you see over here, I took out the little bracket. It bolts over here in 2 holes, and then to the other side too. And I'm gonna make a little piece. It's gonna bolt the radiator on and the intercooler, but I have to do it right now so I can bolt the radiator on. After the intercooler comes, I'm gonna do the intercooler mounts. It's gonna go straight on the metal, and it's gonna go up a little bit so you can bolt the intercooler on. So it's gonna be easier for the installation, and I want this to be ready before the intercooler comes. As you see over here, it's like a little piece of metal. I already have marked all the holes. Oh, here, one here, 2 holes. I'm gonna open this side, another 2 holes on this side, and I'm gonna bolt it on right away. Then I have to do the mounts for the radiator, paint the radiator, and I believe that's it. We're gonna be done for this video. All right, guys. So let's do it. Exactly. Right here. Exactly 2. We're good to go. This one will go there. To the radiator, of course. It's perfect. It's perfect. Alright, finally done. Radiator is on. It looks amazing. You guys are gonna see it right now. It looks so good. As you see it over here, I did the mounts, the little mounts over here, metal on this side, and then I went all the way straight to the other side, the little support, and then this one is the other one. And then we have over here on the side, one over there, and it looks perfect. Even from here, it looks really good. So yeah, guys. So as you see over here, this metal piece. After I put it in the intercooler like that, like a V-mount, I will have to make like a little brackets to go from both on here and then go straight up 90 degrees, both on the intercooler, 1, 2, same way, and here on the top is gonna be, I think, 2 of them, I believe it was. When I ordered the intercooler, it was like that, so that's how we're supposed to put it, so it can be stable and perfect. And then I have to do all the piping, the aluminum piping, and still have to parcel this one. I decided to do this one red. This one over here too. This one is the fitting line from the turbos straight to the intercooler, so it's gonna go straight in the intercooler. Red too. This pipe to the intercooler, red too, and the intercooler is gonna be red on the corners, and in the middle is gonna be black. I believe it's gonna turn up good, the way I'm thinking right now. I put the fuel filter under the car. I didn't show you guys because after I do the whole back side of the car, I'm gonna relocate the fuel filter, and I'm gonna put a little bigger. That's why I didn't show you anything under the car. I put the 3 brackets all done under the car, ready to go. And then the rest stuff we have to do is on the front side of the car. That's it for this video, guys. So I hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, don't forget, and see you in the next one. Peace out.